struggle for independence, guiding its integration into a united independent. I would like to invite Soni ma'am. After independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has played crucial role in consolidating our 500 princely states into a consolidated nation. He was the first Home Minister of independent India, and his uncompromising efforts towards consolidation of the country earned him the title of Iron Man. Throughout his life, he has made the efforts to unite our nation. Please give a big round of applause. As we are paying our tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai. Principal sir to say something about this occasion. To preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this lead in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Please recite this lead in Hindi also. कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगा और अपने देशवासियों के बीच यह संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगा। मैं यह शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रहा हूँ, जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करती हूँ।
We do not have to care for our caste, creed and religion. Does not matter whether we are Brahmins, whether we are Kshatriyas and whether we belong to any other caste. Does not matter whether we are Hindus, whether we are Muslims, whether we are Sikhs, whether we are Christians. We must not and we should not take care for that. Really, if we want to do something good, we shall have to provide our 100% for the sake of the society. If we want to do something good for the sake of your nation, a thing will be coming in your mind that what I can do for the sake of my nation. Dear children, dear teachers, it is not like that. A single person does a lot and every person is single. You are well aware of. Please be unite. At every step, at every stage, Just begin it from your school, begin it from your home. So many diversities will be there, so many problems will be there before you, but try to be united. Thank you so much.
The class is the fourth today. My thought is we are only as strong as we are unity, as weak as we are divided. Thank you. Have a nice day.
रिपीटिंग दिस स्टोरी टेलिंग इन हिंदी। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल एक भारतीय राजनेता थे जिन्होंने भारत के पहले गृह मंत्री और भारत के पहले उप प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में कार्य किया। वह एक बैरिस्टर और भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के one of the freedom fighters in our country. He was born on 31 October 1875 in Nadabad, Gujarat. And took his last breath on 15 December 1915 in Mumbai. During his early years in politics, he followed the footsteps of Mahatma Gandhi. He played a vital role in the Quiet India movement and India's struggle for independence. He was a leader of the Indian National Congress and one of the founding fathers of the independent India. He was also given the title of the Iron Man of India. He always wanted to remove discrimination, rich and poor caste, and create high and low from our country. Thus, he worked really hard for it. It was a true citizen of the country. To honor his birth anniversary is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas every year. Thank you. Have a nice day. We know that today we are celebrating Unity Day on birthday of our Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is a precious diamond of our history, and he want to give message. We are united, so we are strong. So why we are not united? We are united from not soul and not heart. We know that we are today celebrate United Day, but tomorrow we are broken this unity. Why? I want to say only that please make your unity strong. Some light for the unity on. हम एक थे, हम एक ही रहेंगे. हम एक थे, हम एक ही रहेंगे. राष्ट्र का अपमान हम नहीं सहेंगे. जब भी कभी जरूरत पड़ी तो हम देश की खातिर मिलकर लड़ेंगे. लहू का कतरा कतरा देश के नाम, इस लहू से लिख देंगे माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम. थैंक यू. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. प्लीज मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग योर यूनिटी.